Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Ytonet Rolling Briefcase for women, a versatile and stylish solution for all your travel and business needs. This rolling laptop bag is designed with a long-lasting telescopic handle made from lightweight aluminum alloy, ensuring ease of use and durability, having passed over 1,000 lifespan tests. Security is a top priority with its high-quality combination lock, offering peace of mind for your laptop and personal belongings without the hassle of carrying a separate key. The four 360-degree silent spinner wheels provide a smooth and silent gliding experience, freeing your hands and shoulders from strain, even on bumpy roads. With a large 35-liter capacity, this bag accommodates all your essentials, featuring a spacious main compartment, a versatile front pocket, and two side pockets for easy access to items like charging cables and water bottles. Crafted from fashion-forward water-resistant fabric with PU handles and gold-plated zippers, this rolling briefcase is both gorgeous and practical, perfect for commuting, work, or travel. Whether you're looking for a gift for a loved one or a reliable companion for your daily adventures, the Ytonet Rolling Briefcase is an ideal choice for any occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.